Picking the right marketing platform can feel like trying to choose between coffee and energy drinks. Both get the job done, but they do it in different ways. That's exactly the case with GoHighLevel and ActiveCampaign. Both are powerful platforms designed to streamline your marketing, automation, and customer relations. But which one is the best fit for you? Today we're breaking down everything: features, ease of use, pricing, automation, integrations, and real-world applications so you can make an informed decision. Let's dive in. What are these platforms really about? ActiveCampaign, the email marketing king. If email marketing is your bread and butter, then ActiveCampaign has probably been on your radar. This platform has built a reputation for its advanced automation, segmentation, and CRM capabilities. Think of it as an email-first marketing tool with powerful workflows and personalization. It's designed for businesses that want to nurture leads, send targeted campaigns, and automate customer journeys. The beauty of ActiveCampaign is in the details. It allows you to create hyper-personalized email sequences based on behavior, engagement, and even past purchases. GoHighLevel, the complete marketing solution. Now, GoHighLevel is a whole different beast. It's not just an email marketing tool. It's an entire business automation system. Imagine having your CRM, email marketing, SMS marketing, funnel builder, website builder, appointment scheduler, and automation workflows all in one place. This platform is built for agencies, coaches, and businesses that want to run everything under one roof. Instead of piecing together separate tools like an email service, a landing page builder, CRM, and automation platform, GoHighLevel gives you a single dashboard to manage everything. Ease of use. Which one feels more intuitive? ActiveCampaign, clean and simple. ActiveCampaign is user-friendly, especially if you're already familiar with email marketing platforms like maybe MailChimp or ConvertKit. Its drag and drop automation builder makes it easy to visualize workflows, and setting up campaigns is pretty straightforward. The interface is sleek, modern, and easy to navigate. However, if you're completely new to email marketing automation, there might be a slight learning curve, especially when setting up more complex automation sequences. GoHighLevel, feature-rich but overwhelming. GoHighLevel is powerful, but that power comes with complexity. Since it's an all-in-one platform, the dashboard is packed with features. If you're used to working with separate tools for different marketing tasks, it might feel like a lot to take on at first. But that said, once you get the hang of it, GoHighLevel saves a ton of time by keeping everything centralized. No more jumping between software or worrying about integrations. It's all built in. Automation. Who does it better? ActiveCampaign versus GoHighLevel. A deep dive into automation. When it comes to automation, both ActiveCampaign and GoHighLevel offer sophisticated solutions, but they cater to different needs. ActiveCampaign is a leader in email marketing automation, while GoHighLevel takes a multi-channel approach, integrating not only email, but SMS, calls, and more. ActiveCampaign, the king of email automation. ActiveCampaign is known for its powerful, intuitive email automation system. Its visual automation builder allows businesses to create workflows based on a variety of triggers, making it an industry leader for businesses relying on email marketing. Key automation features of ActiveCampaign. Visual automation builder. You get a drag and drop interface for creating automation sequences effortlessly. Trigger-based automation. Actions can be triggered by specific customer behaviors, including email opens and link clicks, website visits and engagement, abandoned carts, tagging and segmentation, advanced segmentation. You can personalize email sequences based on user behavior, interests, and purchase history. A/B testing. Optimize automation workflows by testing different sequences. Predictive sending and AI-powered automation. Machine learning determines the best times to send emails for higher engagement. For businesses that rely heavily on email marketing to nurture their leads, retain customers, and drive engagement, ActiveCampaign is one of the best tools available. GoHighLevel, multi-channel automation. While ActiveCampaign dominates in email marketing, GoHighLevel goes beyond email by integrating automation across multiple channels. This makes it an excellent choice for agencies and businesses looking for a more comprehensive automation system. Key automation features of GoHighLevel. Multi-channel automation. Now, unlike ActiveCampaign, GoHighLevel automates email campaigns, SMS messaging, voicemail drops, appointment scheduling, call tracking, sales pipelines, and more. Custom workflow automation. You can automate the entire customer journey from the initial contact to sale closure. They have AI-driven responses, so you can automate chat and SMS replies for improved lead engagement. Integrated booking system. Schedule and automate appointments with clients. Pipeline automation. Move leads through a fully automated sales pipeline based on triggers and engagement. For businesses that want to manage leads across multiple communication channels and automate their entire sales and marketing process, GoHighLevel is the better option. CRM and customer management. Simple versus advanced. ActiveCampaign. Contact organization and sales pipeline management. ActiveCampaign comes with a built-in CRM designed primarily for contact management and sales tracking. It allows businesses to organize and segment leads effectively, manage simple sales pipelines, automate follow-ups for better conversion rates, use lead scoring to identify high-value prospects, and while useful for small businesses and sales team, ActiveCampaign CRM lacks advanced features like call tracking, automated appointment booking, and deep lead tracking. GoHighLevel, a full sales and CRM system. GoHighLevel offers a more comprehensive CRM, making it an ideal choice for businesses that need deeper customer management. Key CRM features of GoHighLevel: custom sales pipelines, so you can track and manage leads across multiple stages. Call tracking and recording, monitor all customer interactions. Automated follow-ups, keep leads engaged without manual intervention. Appointment scheduling integration, automate the booking process. SMS and email integration, communicate with leads directly within the CRM. So if your business needs a full stack CRM to track and manage leads across multiple channels, GoHighLevel provides significantly more value than ActiveCampaign. Landing pages and funnels, basic versus full funnel builder. ActiveCampaign, basic landing page builder. ActiveCampaign includes a landing page builder, but it's quite limited. It allows you to create simple opt-in pages for lead generation, but it lacks advanced funnel building features. Limitations of ActiveCampaign's landing page builder: you can't create multi-step sales funnels. It has a limited design flexibility. There's no built-in checkout or membership functionality. If you only need basic lead capture pages, then ActiveCampaign's landing pages builder may be enough. However, for complete sales funnels, you'll need an external tool like ClickFunnels. GoHighLevel, complete funnel builder. GoHighLevel includes an end-to-end funnel building system, allowing businesses to create high-converting landing pages, multi-step sales funnels, and even membership sites. Key funnel features of GoHighLevel: drag and drop funnel builder, create multi-step sales funnels without coding. A/B testing for pages, so you can optimize conversion rates while split testing. Built-in checkout and payment processing. Sell products and services directly within the funnel. Membership site creation. Host and manage online courses or exclusive content. Integration with CRM and automation. Seamlessly connect your funnels to email, SMS, and sales pipelines. For businesses needing a full conversion-focused system, GoHighLevel is the superior choice. So let's go ahead and take a look inside both of the funnel builders. So here we are inside of GoHighLevel. So here under sites, we're going to go to funnels and click on new funnel. We'll go ahead and select from template and click continue. And from here, we'll go ahead and just choose this fitness memberships one right here. And we'll go ahead and click on continue. It's adding the template, so give it just a minute here and it'll go ahead and get that ready for us. And with just a few clicks, we already have a great place to work from here on this landing page. So we can go ahead and edit this entire thing. If we go ahead and click on any element here, we get a list of options over here on the right to go ahead and customize it as we'd like. There's a general tab for general settings, an animations tab here to move things in as the page loads, and an advanced tabs for some other advanced settings. So as you can see, there is a ton that you can do here with GoHighLevel, and just by selecting a template, we already have a great place to start with. Now, taking a look here at ActiveCampaign. So inside of ActiveCampaign, we come down here to website, click on pages, and create new page. Now, similar to GoHighLevel, there are some templates here that we can go ahead and choose from. So for this example, we'll go ahead and select this asset download to. Let's go ahead and click on this preview real quick. And as you can see, this is okay, but let's go ahead and maybe look for a different one here. Maybe we'll try this product template here. Let's go ahead and just click on use this template for this example. So as you can see, there is quite a lot that you can edit here, but it's not quite as advanced as GoHighLevel. And again, this template honestly looks really good. It's sort of similar here to where we go ahead and click on it. We go ahead and have these areas over here on the right where we can go ahead and make some changes to it as well. But again, it's just not quite as advanced as GoHighLevel is. There's a lot you can do here and the templates look great, but if you're looking for something a little bit more end-to-end, GoHighLevel is going to be the better option. Pricing, which offers more value. ActiveCampaign pricing. ActiveCampaign's pricing starts at a lower rate, but it increases based on the number of contacts. You have a starter plan at $15 per month, a plus plan at $49 per month, a pro plan at $79 per month, and an enterprise plan at $145 plus per month. So some of the pros of ActiveCampaign's pricing is it's a lower starting fee. The flexible plans are based on features and contact list size. It's suitable for businesses primarily focused on just email marketing. Now, some of the cons are that it becomes expensive as your email list grows. It lacks built-in SMS and call automation. It requires integrations for advanced features. Now, as for GoHighLevel's pricing, it starts at a higher upfront cost, but it includes unlimited contacts and an all-in-one platform. The starter plan is $97 a month. The unlimited plan is $297 a month, and they even have a SaaS Pro plan at $497 $5 per month. So taking a look at these different plans, the starter plan, you get all the tools that you need to capture more leads, nurture and close leads into customers. You get full online booking, pipeline, social calendar, website builder, and more. It's good for unlimited contacts and users. Add as many contacts and users as you need. And you can set up 3 sub accounts. Now, for the unlimited plan, you get everything in the starter plus API access, which integrates with anything. You get unlimited sub accounts, as many client accounts as you need for one price. And you get branded desktop apps, custom domains, and complete control over the look and feel of the platform. Now, the SaaS Pro plan, you get everything in unlimited, and you get SaaS mode. So you can auto sub account creation, rebilling enabled with the ability to set up your own markup, and rebilling is available on Conversation AI. So some of the pros of GoHighLevel's pricing is it's fixed pricing with no extra charges based on contacts. It includes CRM, email, SMS, funnel builder, and automation all in one platform. Saves you money if you currently pay for multiple tools like a CRM, email marketing, funnel builder, and an appointment scheduler. Now, some of the cons are it's a higher starting price, which can be overwhelming due to its extensive features. Now, if you want to get started with GoHighLevel, we'll have a link for you down in the description below, which will bring you to this page right here, where you can go ahead and get started with a free 14-day trial. So you can go ahead and try out the platform and see if it's right for you and your business and make your decision within 14 days. So which one should you choose? If you primarily need email automation and a simple CRM, ActiveCampaign is the better choice. But if you want an all-in-one automation platform that includes CRM, SMS, funnel building, and advanced workflows, GoHighLevel is the superior option. Each platform excels in different areas, so your choice depends on whether you need a specialized email tool like ActiveCampaign or an all-in-one business automation system like GoHighLevel. Taking a look at customer support and community. ActiveCampaign, reliable but standard. ActiveCampaign offers email and live chat support, but response times can be slow during peak hours. Their help center is well documented and there are plenty of tutorials available. GoHighLevel, strong community support. GoHighLevel has live chat, Zoom calls, and a super active Facebook group where users share tips, troubleshoot issues, and exchange strategies. If you like learning from other users and having direct access to support, GoHighLevel's community is a big plus. Final verdict, which one should you choose? If email marketing is your primary focus and you want a simpler, more traditional automation tool, ActiveCampaign is a great choice. It's powerful, well optimized for email campaigns, and has fantastic automation features. However, if you want an all-in-one marketing solution, one that includes email, SMS, CRM, funnel building, and automation in one platform, then GoHighLevel is the way to go. It's designed for businesses and agencies that want everything in one place. At the end of the day, the best choice depends on your needs. If you want to get started with either of these products, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free videos just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. Other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.